Hello students, welcome. My name is Jyoti Rajput and today our new topic is that is chemical composition of cell membrane. Cell membrane का ही दूसरा नाम है plasma membrane. तो ये जो plasma membrane है, it is a phospholipid bilayer. You can see the lipid first layer, this is the lipid second layer. And as we know that lipid contains phosphate, so it is called phospholipid bilayer. In this, there are some proteins also present. So there are two types of protein present. Here you can see this is the extrinsic protein. Here you can see the external protein which is partially embedded, and the second one is the integral protein, or you can say here the internal protein here, which is wholly embedded in this phospholipid bilayer. तो ये जो plasma membrane है and other cell membrane also, which is present in different organelles, it is found that it composed mainly of the protein, that is 55 to 60%, lipids 35 to 40%, and carbohydrate 1 to 8%. So their proportion of the cell membrane of different types of cell vary greatly. तो ये जो भी कंटेंट है प्रोटीन का, लिपिड का, कार्बोहाइड्रेट का, अलग अलग सेल्स के सेल मेम्ब्रेन में जो है वो वेरी करेगा, डिफरेंट होगा. एज वी टॉक अबाउट द एग्जांपल लाइक फॉर आरबीसी, आरबीसीज में जब हम देखते हैं द सेल मेम्ब्रेन और यू कैन सी द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन, the protein is 52%, lipids is 40%, and the carbohydrate it is 8%. Now we will talk about some of the proteins which is present on the plasma membrane. So according to the position in the plasma, the proteins of the cell membrane, they are classified into three classes. First is intrinsic protein, or you can say integral protein. Second is extrinsic protein, or you can say peripheral protein. And the third is the lipid anchored proteins. So here you can see the diagram. Here this is the peripheral protein, or you can say the extrinsic protein, and this is the integral protein, or you can say the intrinsic protein. So first we will talk about the integral protein, or you can say the intrinsic protein. These are penetrated in the lipid bilayer. और ये जो इंटेग्रल प्रोटीन्स हैं, दे आर ट्रांसमेम्ब्रेन प्रोटीन. इसका मतलब है वो एंटायरली पास हो सकते हैं फ्रॉम दिस लिपिड बाइलियर, and it has the two domains that protrude from both the extracellular. Here you can see this is going to be seen through the extracellular side also, and it can be seen through the intracellular, that is the cytoplasmic side of the membrane also. So दोनों ही साइड से जो है इस प्रोटीन को हम देख सकते हैं. And it also forms a channel so that any molecule, it can get transported into the cell, and it can also get out of the cell through this intrinsic protein only. There are some of the integral protein which have only one membrane spanning segment, और कोई कोई ऐसे भी proteins है which has multi spanning transmembrane spanning segment. Here, when we talk about the next protein, that is the extrinsic protein, these are also called as peripheral protein. ये जो proteins है ये हमेशा they are always found attached loosely and temporarily to the outer part of the plasma membrane by means of ionic or calcium bridge. Extrinsic protein, it constitutes 20 to 30% of the total membrane protein. So there are some of the examples of the extrinsic protein like the spectrin. Here in this diagram you can see the cytochrome C. The next example is acetylcholinesterase. All these are example of extrinsic proteins. The third one is the lipid anchored protein. Here this is also called as lipid linked protein, as here we can see it is the protein which is located on the surface of the cell membrane that are covalently attached towards the lipid embedded within the cell membrane. Here, on the basis of the functions, proteins of the plasma membrane are classified as structural protein, enzymes, and the carrier protein. So first we'll talk about the structural protein. They are the backbone of the cell membrane. And next is the enzyme. These are called as structural enzymes, which are the major component of plasma membrane or cell membrane, and they have a catalytic protein. Here, the next is the carrier proteins. They are also called as permeases, as they are involved in transportation of the substances across the membrane against the concentration gradient. मतलब कुछ carrier proteins जो है ये काम करेंगे, जो molecules suppose outside the cell है, so they will move from the higher concentration toward the lower concentration. It means they can enter from outside to the inside the cell. And here the molecular weight is similar to that of the structural protein. Now we will talk about some of the proteins which are present on plasma membrane like the spectrin, encheirin, glycophorin, enzymes, glycoproteins, integral and peripheral proteins. First, when we talk about the spectrin, here you can see the spectrin. It is the most abundant protein present, and its shape is kind of a long fibrous molecule that constitute 30% of the membrane protein mass, and it is useful for maintaining the biconcave shape of the RBC. Here you can see the biconcave shape of the RBC. It is maintained by the help of the spectrin protein. Next is the encheirin. Encheirin, here it is the one which indirectly or here directly you can see the spectrin. It is interacting indirectly with the integral protein via the encheirin. So here the spectrin, you can see the spectrin, it is the one which is involved. It is interacting with the integral protein through the encheirin. So encheirin के ही वजह से जो spectrin है, it is interacting with the integral protein. Next is the glycophorin. Here you can see the glycophorin, like the glycophorin C, glycophorin A. It is always present on the outer side of the layer of RBCs, and its still function is unknown. Next is about the enzymes. There are about 30 enzymes that has been detected in isolated plasma membrane. The most common found of enzymes on the plasma membrane are like the 5' nucleotidase, magnesium ion ATPase, sodium potassium ATPase, alkaline phosphatase, adenyl cyclase, RNase. These enzymes, they are important for the transport of the ion through the plasma membrane. The next is the glycoprotein. Glycoprotein का मतलब है कि कोई carbohydrate है which is attached on the protein. So the carbohydrate chain you can see which is attached in the protein, that is why the name glycoprotein is given. So जैसे कि when we talking about in RBCs, there are number of glycoproteins like hexose, hexamine, fucose are bound to protein. So here hexose, hexaminose, fucose, these are the carbohydrate which is attached to the protein. That is why the name the glycoprotein is given. They are always present on the outer side surface of the membrane, and these are the proteins. Okay, so you can see the oligosaccharide, you can see the carbohydrate, they are attached towards the protein. So thus the name given glycoprotein. Next, there are some of the integral protein and there are some of the peripheral protein also present. So some of the examples are like the spectrin, glycoprotein. They are examples of these proteins. Next, we will talk about the lipids which are present on the plasma membrane. There are two types of lipid associated with plasma membrane. You can say polar lipids also. Here, the lipid contains the head, which is going to be hydrophilic. It means it is water loving. It means it is always towards the water. So as you can see the membrane, जैसे कि ये membrane है, तो here cell की ये membrane है, तो बाहर side भी water present है, cell के अंदर भी water present है. तो वाटर के कांटेक्ट में जो है हमेशा हेड्स प्रेजेंट होंगे. हियर आल्सो यू कैन सी सपोज देयर इज द वाटर, उनके पास में हमेशा ही हेड प्रेजेंट होंगे बिकॉज द हेड्स दे आर ऑलवेज हाइड्रोफिलिक, दे आर ऑलवेज वाटर लविंग. सो हियर यहाँ पर सपोज हम इमेजिन कर लेते हैं कोई सेल है. ओके, सो यहाँ पर जो है देयर इज गोइंग टू बी प्रेजेंस ऑफ द वाटर. सपोज यहाँ पर जो है हियर वी कैन इमेजिन दैट हियर इज द वाटर H2O. Okay, here is the water present, and here is also the presence of the water. So the head, it is always present towards the facing of water. Here head, it is always present towards the facing of the water. So here when we talk about the head, they are always hydrophilic, they are always hydrophilic. And next is about the tail. ये जो है this is always hydrophobic, it always move away from the water. इसीलिए ये हमेशा internal side ही आपको देखने मिलेंगे. The tails are always present inside. So these are connected. ये जो head है, ये जो tail है, it is connected by the glycerol, you can say, and glycerol, it is a kind of a sterol. And here जो lipid fraction, it constitutes about 20 to 40% of the cell membrane. The main lipid of the cell membrane are like the phospholipid, cholesterol, glycolipids. First we'll talk about the phospholipid. It is the most abundant. Next is the cholesterol. Here when we see the structure of the cholesterol, here it consists of the four membered fused ring structure. और ये जो है इंटरफेयर करते हैं between the fatty acid chain. और कोलेस्ट्रॉल जो है it prevents the membrane from freezing and maintains the membrane fluidity. The next is the glycolipid. The next is the glycolipid. Here you can see the carbohydrate, it is attached to the lipid. That is why the name the glycolipid is being given. Glyco का मतलब होता है carbohydrate and lipid means lipid. So एक carbohydrate की chain present होती है which is attached to the lipid. Here you can see an oligosaccharide. It is which is attached towards the lipid molecule. So here they are water loving. Glycolipid, they are water loving, hydrophilic you can see, or polar end, and the hydrophobic water, that is heating non-polar end. They influence the fluidity of the membrane. Next, there are carbohydrate which is present on the plasma membrane. So there are two type of carbohydrate you can see. Here you can see the glycoprotein, कार्बोहाइड्रेट अटैच है प्रोटीन के ऊपर, दैट इज वाई द ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन. दूसरा है दैट इज ग्लाइकोलिपिड, कार्बोहाइड्रेट इट इज अटैच टू द लिपिड, सो नेम द ग्लाइकोलिपिड. ये these are the carbohydrate present on the plasma membrane, and this is had the name given, that is the glycolipid and the glycoprotein. They are always present on the external membrane surface. These oligosaccharides chain play important roles in cell-to-cell recognition process. According to Bell, polysaccharide or oligosaccharide, they are present on the outer protein layer of plasma membrane, which provides some stability to the lipoprotein complex. So कुछ carbohydrates आपको मिलेंगे plasma membrane के ऊपर, like the hexosamine, sialic acid, hexose and glucose. जो glycoprotein है, it is a part of carbohydrate, bind hormones. So glycoprotein, it is very much helpful so that a hormone can be binded, and this is how it serves as send ट्रांसमेम्ब्रेन मैसेजेस. सो सेल के बाहर अगर कोई कम्युनिकेशन होना चाहे तो हियर द ग्लाइको प्रोटीन विथ इट विल हेल्प टू कम्युनिकेट. तो इस तरीके से जो ट्रांसमेम्ब्रेन मैसेजेस हैं फ्रॉम आउटसाइड टू इनसाइड ऑफ द सेल किया जाएगा. Oligosaccharide, they also play important role in the cell interactions and cell recognition. So cell अगर interact करते हैं तो these here the oligosaccharide they will help, या तो फिर cell recognition में here these oligosaccharide they are, it means the carbohydrate, they are always in the function of the cell interaction and cell recognition. So this is how the composition of the plasma membrane was, and thank you very much.